Hi lovely people, welcome back to our channel, the ultimate destination for all things aesthetic and cozy. Today we are diving into the world of beachy room aesthetics. The perfect blend of coastal vibes and tranquility that will transport you straight to the shores every time you walk into your room. But before we ride the waves of creativity, let me ask you this. Have you ever dreamt of bringing the soothing sounds of crashing waves, the warmth of golden sands, and the fresh breeze of the ocean right into your own living space? Well, today is your lucky day because we are about to turn that dream into a reality. So grab your sunscreen, metaphorically speaking, and let's transform your room into a beachy paradise together. Alright, beach enthusiasts, first thing first, the color palette. Picture this, the gentle hues of the ocean, the soft golden glow of the sand, and the vibrant greens of coastal vegetation. How do we bring all that into your room? Imagine waking up to the serene blues of the sea every morning. We're talking about calming aquas, deep navy and sky blues. And to balance it out, don't forget the warm neutrals, sandy beach, sun-kissed whites, and hints of driftwood browns. These colors will instantly transport you to a breezy beachfront retreat. But wait, there's more. We can't forget about pops of tropical greens. Think palm leaves and seagrass. It's like adding a touch of coastal paradise to your room. Now, let's move on to section 2 and bring it in some beachy textures. Are you feeling the beachy vibes yet? If not, don't worry, we are just getting started. Now let's talk about textures that will make you want to kick off your shoes and sink your toes into the sand. It's all about creating a sensory experience. Incorporate natural textures like jute rugs, woven baskets, and seashell-inspired decor. These elements not only add visual interest but also bring a touch of the beach's raw, natural beauty into your room. And guess what? Throw in some plush sandy colored cushions and soft lightweight curtains that dance with the breeze, and you will feel like you are laughing in a seaside cabana. Now, section 3, the little details that make all the difference. We are about to adding the finishing touches that will transport you straight to the ocean's edge. Ever notice how the sounds of waves instantly calm your soul? Create a beachy ambience with sounds of the ocean, seagulls, and maybe a little ukulele in the background. It's like having your own personal beach soundtrack. Think anchors, ropes, and seashells strategically placed around the room. You can even frame some beachy prints or hang a surfboard on the wall for the you. And there you have it, my fellow beach lovers, your guide to creating the ultimate beachy room aesthetic. Until next time, stay beachy and stay beautiful.